Hello everyone, today we are diving into how Ukrainian fighters are shooting down Russian Su-25 planes. Let's break it down in simple terms. First of all, the Su-25 is a key attack aircraft for Russia. It's been in use for about 40 years. These planes are tough and can carry a lot of weapons. But here's a catch, Ukrainian air defense systems are making it really hard for these planes to hit their targets. Russian Su-25s have to fly very low to avoid getting hit by these missiles. They fly just 30 meters above the ground and usually in pairs. When they fly this low, it's very hard for anti-aircraft missile to detect them. But the Ukrainian has a lot of portable air defense systems called MANPADS, which can shoot down these planes even at low altitudes. Recently, Ukrainian forces shot down another Su-25. This was the fourth plane shot down by the 110th Separate Mechanized Brigade since May. They also managed to shoot down Russia's Tu-22M3 bomber, which was a big deal. Meanwhile, in the political arena, a Russian propagandist named Vladimir Su-25 made some bold statements. He claimed that Kiev, the capital of Ukraine, and Warsaw in Poland should be part of the Russia. He also mentioned Finland as well. After these statements came out, it was widely shared and criticized as well. Back on the battlefield, Ukraine has been receiving more long-range missiles from NATO countries. These missiles have been very effective in hitting important Russian targets like airfields, naval bases, and bridges. With these new weapons, Ukraine's firepower has significantly increased in recent times. Former US military officials believe that these missiles can help Ukraine hit critical Russian operations. A retired US Army General Ben Hodge mentioned that having these long-range missiles make it difficult for Russian forces to fight their key assets. In the last month, the US secretly sent long-range ATAMC missiles to Ukraine. Although the exact number is unknown, these missiles cost about $1.3 million each. Around the same time, Britain also announced it would send more Storm Shadow cruise missiles to Ukraine. Italy and France have also sent similar missiles which can fly at lower altitudes to avoid detection. These new additions to Ukraine's arsenal could make it nearly impossible for Russia to keep its critical assets safe from the 100 miles of the front line. This puts a lot of pressure on Russia's key targets like transport hubs and supply depots. In the recent weeks, Ukraine has used these American missiles to attack Russian airfields and troop concentrations. Experts believe that having a ATACMS and Storm Shadow will allow Ukraine to neutralize Russian advances and regain the initiative in the war. Ukraine has also shown interest in the German Taurus missile, which has a long range greater than the ATAMS. However, Berlin has not yet agreed to provide it. In conclusion, Ukraine's enhanced air defense and the addition to advanced long-range missiles have significantly bolstered their capacity to counter Russian attacks. The ongoing support from NATO countries continues to play a crucial role in the conflict. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.